10 worst foods for weight loss. Losing weight isn't just about eating less, it's about eating smart. Some foods may look healthy or harmless but actually make it harder to shed pounds. These foods can spike your blood sugar, increase hunger, or add empty calories with little nutrition. Here are 10 of the worst foods to avoid if you're trying to lose weight. 1. Sugary cereals. Many breakfast cereals are full of sugar and refined carbs. They cause a quick spike in blood sugar followed by a crash, leaving you hungry soon after. 2. Fried foods. Foods like French fries, fried chicken, and donuts absorb lots of oil, adding extra fat and calories. They're hard to digest and offer little nutrition. 3. White bread. Made from refined flour, white bread is low in fiber and digests quickly. It doesn't keep you full and often leads to overeating. 4. Processed meats. Deli meats are high in salts and preservatives. They can cause bloating and are often high in fat with little protein. 5. Store-bought smoothies. Pre-made smoothies often contain added sugars, fruit syrups, and sweetened yogurt. Some have as many calories as a milkshake. 6. Granola bars. Though advertised as healthy, many granola bars are packed with sugar, fats, and additives. They can be just as bad as candy bars. 7. Alcohol. Alcohol adds empty calories and slows fat burning. Drinks mixed with soda or juice can be high in sugar and lead to poor food choices. 8. Frozen diet meals. These meals are often low in calories but also low in nutrients. They usually contain too much salt and won't keep you satisfied for long. 9. Flavored yogurts. Fruit-flavored yogurts often have more sugar than ice cream. Even low-fat versions can be packed with artificial sweeteners and thickeners. 10. Low-fat snacks. Taking fat out of food often means adding sugar or starch. These snacks don't satisfy hunger and may lead to eating more later. Not all foods are helpful when trying to lose weight. Many that seem healthy are actually working against your goals. By avoiding these 10 foods, you'll improve your chances of success and support your body with better choices. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.